Today is my favorite time of the week. It's Tidy Tuesday, which means I'm going to clean or declutter something in my home. And right now I'm on this kick of I want to get my home in order and cleaned and decluttered for the holidays. Is anybody else in this kick? I just want to get it all out of here so I don't have so much stuff to deal with for when I have Thanksgiving and Christmas. So you will see a lot of declutter in the next Tidy Tuesday because I want it all out of here by especially Christmas. I want to get it all out of here. And today my husband has gave me a challenge. He will only be gone for just a short period of time. And he gave me a medium-sized Home Depot box. And he told me he wanted it filled with stuff for the thrift store so he could take it to the thrift store. So if we're up for the challenge, we will get that box full. What do you think? Do you think we're going to get that box full? Put yes or no in the comments. Okay, the amazing host for this collaboration is Sunday Dawn at The Helpful Home. Please check her channel out. She's in my description box. And please check out the amazing ladies in this playlist to see what they're doing. See if they're cleaning or decluttering or have some kind of amazing project that's fun for us in the playlist. And that is in my description box, and I normally also post it in the comments. But you all know I'm also forgetful as all get out. But you know, here we go. Declutter is my, cheating is my name, declutter is my game. My first declutter is this big bird cage. It's going to go because I don't do as many tablescapes anymore. Maybe a couple times a month, so that's going to go. It's taking up too much space in my house. This is going to go big as well and taking up way too much space that I need. I bought a brand new juicer a year and a half ago and I've never used it. I'm going to declutter it too. I've got a mat for cutting out pies. I have a cutting board that has the different dimensions of pies on it, so I don't need that. I got a second rolling pin that I only need one. So it's gonna go. This scoop's gonna go because a lot of my pans, this will scratch the bottom of. And this is the first thing my husband grabs. A bunch of DIYs that I've made because I just want a clean space for the holidays. I may keep little gingerbreads on them, but the rest is gonna go. I just need an idea that I would use these and we'd make all kinds of lunch ideas and snack things. It never happened. My husband, I made him some once in a video and my husband's like, what's that? More to go with it. The silicone pans I have. My husband just asked for some, but these weren't what he wanted. More silicone pans. He didn't want those either. More, and I've emptied maybe one shelf in my cabinet. Last but not least, I'm going to try to squeeze a soda stream on the top because I don't use it. But not least, I'm recycling a metal pan that's seen its better day. Gave me a challenge to fill this one box full of stuff that I could declutter from my kitchen and dining room. And here's how I done. I don't think I did too bad. And it is a medium-sized box from Home Depot.